Hello guys, this is Smart Concept again. In case you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And today I'll be showing you all how you can whiten the eye and the teeth. You understand? I'll be using the hue. Look, I just go to this place to the adjustment layer, which is here. So you just click on the hue. Click on the hue. I'll just be using hue. You know, the eyes is made up of red and yellow. So I'll just go to the yellow and red first. Reduce the saturation, increase the lightness. Then click on the yellow to reduce the saturation, increase the lightness. Then come here, over here, and invert. Once I invert, I will select my brush. I'll select my brush, which is this one. I'll zoom in the image, the place I want to really clean. I said the eye, right? So once I select my brush, I'm make sure my flow is at 100. Then reduce it to fit in the area. So look at it. Look at it, yeah. Just, once it fits in the area, if you can just clean the eye from there. So the teeth, same thing. Be careful, you shouldn't clean the gum. Once it touches the gum, it will desaturate the gum color also. So this is how you go over the teeth. Very easy, right? First of all, the hue, you reduce the saturation for the red and increase the lightness. Same thing goes for the yellow. Increase the lightness and reduce the saturation. You understand? So after this, you don't want to keep it to make it fake, right? Because nobody is perfect and nobody have a perfect teeth. So what you just need to do is just reduce the opacity a little. This one is too white. You need to even reduce it more. Let me say like about 50. I keep it more natural. Very easy, right? I think with this, we're done for today. Next class, see you next week. Thank you. You enjoyed watching that video, right? Yeah, subscribe. See you in the next video. Check descriptions for more details, and also if you want to reach out to me directly from mentorship and all, check out the details. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.